If your lips are dry right now and you keep reaching for your lip balm, but nothing is actually lasting, this is probably why. And what you can start doing instead. Hi, I'm Janice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. Quick reminder, this content is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not considered medical advice. If you have ongoing concerns, please make sure to discuss with your healthcare provider. Most people think that fixing dry lips is just about applying something more often. So you reapply, and reapply again. And maybe it feels better for a while, but then that dryness comes right back. And at some point you start wondering, why does this keep happening? Here's what most people don't realize. Dry lips aren't just about what you're putting on them. They're about a pattern. Because if you ever felt like you're doing everything right and your lips are still dry, that can feel really frustrating. And that's usually the moment people start trying more products, more reapplying, instead of realizing what actually needs changing underneath. So your lips never get the chance to stabilize. If you want to start fixing dry lips fast, you don't need to do more. You just need to shift a few simple things. So first, try to slow down the constant reapplying. Not completely stop, but become aware of how often you're reaching for it. Second, give your lips a reset moment each day. Even something simple where you're not rushing, not layering products over and over, just allowing your lips to settle. And third, focus on something that you can stay consistent with. Not something complicated, not something that you'll forget, but something that fits naturally into your day. Because this is where most people get stuck. It's not that they don't care, it's that what they're trying to do just doesn't fit in their life. So instead of consistency, they end up back in that cycle of quick relief. And without consistency, nothing really changes long term. This is why simple rituals work so well. Not because they're complicated, but because they're easy to return to. A small moment that supports your lips and your nervous system at the same time. Something that feels calming, not like another task. That's actually why I created the lip ritual. Not as something that you have to think about, but something simple that you can come back to every day. Because when something feels easy, you stay consistent. And that's where real change starts. If you've been dealing with dry lips and nothing seems to last, this is your sign to stop chasing quick fixes and start focusing on what you can actually sustain. If you want to go deeper into this, the next video that I recommend watching is about the lip balm cycle, because that's where most people get stuck without realizing it. I'll link it here so you can continue learning how to break that pattern. And if you're ready for more simpler, supportive ways to care for your lips and your body, make sure to subscribe, because consistent care creates real results.